Immigration. Let's talk about it. In the last 2 years, we made some really big mistakes, and increasingly bad actors like have been exploiting Canada for their own interests. There are two kinds of immigration in Canada. The one you probably think of most is Indian immigration, like when Indians come to Canada to settle and call it home. So back to this year's plan. Our economy came down really fast, like boom, boom, boom. Temporary foreign workers became such a significant mistake. So this year, we did exactly that. We're reducing the numbers of immigrants that will come to Canada by 3. This way, we're getting the full breakdown of Canada. We look at every province and territory and said, "For you," and it was the right choice. It worked. But most importantly, a recession. Immigration is primarily a federal job. We have the levers to rein it in, so we never do we outright exploit people. Target vulnerable immigrants with promises of jobs, diplomas, and easy pathways to citizenship. We're prioritizing newcomers rather than Canadians. We'll effectively pause population growth for the next 2 years. Then from 2027 onwards, it'll balance out and the budget will balance itself. Immigration is a great thing, and we're lucky that so many people dream of coming to our country. Fulfilling that dream depends on having a good job, a decent place to live, and health care that you can access when you need it. That's not Canada. Leave Canada.